This is Abdel. As you guys know, with work and school, sometimes like managing work and tasks can be a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to dealing with multiple tasks that have different priorities and different deadlines. Like we sometimes don't know what tasks to prioritize before others, while also making sure to not forget about tasks that have, let's say, a lesser priority, but also have a strict deadline that we must abide by. So this project, it is a simple scheduling and tasks managing program. What it basically does is that it asks you if you want to enter your tasks and have the program list them to you based on their priority level or based on their deadline, or if you want the program to automatically take care of that for you, so it will go ahead and list the tasks for you based on their highest priority, as well as the ones with the soonest deadline. So basically, this program would allow us to use a solution that can help users to assign a priority level to each task, but it also takes into account the deadline of each of those tasks. This would provide a balance between, let's say, user control as well as automatic prioritization. All right, looking at the program here, we see here that we have four commands that we can choose from. If we choose the add command, then that would allow us to add the tasks and modify them. And if we choose the save command, then that would allow us to save the tasks that we have added to a file. Or let's say we already have a bunch of tasks that were saved up to a file. We can go ahead and choose the load command, and that would load all of those tasks to us right here on the console. Or if we want to just go ahead and quit the program altogether. So let's go ahead and see how that would work. Let's type in add. Right here, it's asking us for the type of the tasks that we want to enter and how we want the program to list those to us. So if we choose priority, then it's going to list to us the programs with the highest priority. If we choose deadline, it's going to list to us the tasks with the soonest deadline. If we choose hybrid, then the program is automatically going to take care of that for us. It's going to list to us um, the tasks with the highest priority, as well as the ones with the soonest deadline. So let's go right here and choose priority. It's asking us for the name of the task. Let's do, for example, CS2 project. Excuse me. Right here, it's asking us for the deadline of the project. Let's do November 28th, 2023. Right here, it's asking us for the priority level of that, with 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Let's go ahead and choose 10. Okay, so right here it says the task has been added, and then it's showing us right here all the tasks that were added so far. Right now we only have one task that we have added, which is the CS2 project. Let's go ahead and add in a couple more to see how that would look like. Let's choose priority. It's asking us for the task name. Let's, for example, do apply to internships. You guys probably know a lot of internships have strict deadlines, so let's go ahead and do that. Then it's asking us for the deadline for that. Let's do November 13th, for example, 2023, even though that has passed. And then right here, it's asking us for the priority. Let's give it a priority of 9. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, even though the apply into internships has a lesser priority as opposed to the CS2 project, because of its closer deadline, the program is listing that to us right here first before the CS2 project. Let's go in and let's go, for example, and save these two tasks to a file. It's asking us right here for the file name. Let's do, for example, the tasks. All right, so right here it says that the file has been saved. It should say file saved instead of task saved. And let's go ahead and load that file and see how it look like. It's gonna look like here on the console. It's asking us for the file name. Stop it right here. File name tasks. Okay, so right here it says it should say here file loaded. So it is showing us here all the tasks that we added and saved to the file. Let's go ahead and, for example, add in one more task. Let's do priority. Let's do the name. Let's do, for example, register for classes. And let's do January 10th, 2024. Then let's do the priority. Let's, for example, give it a priority of 10. Okay, so yeah, as you guys can see here, even though the register into classes has a priority level of 10, because it has a further away deadline, it is listed behind the CS2 project that has a sooner deadline compared to register for classes, and also behind the applying to internships that has a lesser priority, but because it has a sooner deadline, then the program will go ahead and list those to us like that. So we just can go ahead and quit the program, then it's just gonna go ahead and quit it. Thank you.